All right, moving on to number 15. So the given expression is equivalent. All right, so we have a little bit of a higher level equivalent expression problem. What's the value of C plus D? Now, I am going to do this in the quickest way possible. If you want to completely like distribute these negatives and like simplify the full expression and then match up, do it that way. But I'm going to skip the x to the fourth and the x to the third. I only care about the x squared and the x term. So I'm going to look at x squared. My x squared term is going to come from this term and this term. And what that's going to be is 4x squared minus x squared, which is 3x squared. So again, I don't really care about these because they don't ask me about a and b. Then I am going to find my x term, which only comes from here. But this negative has to be distributed. Oh, wait. I hope everybody is realizing the mistake that I made. I'm actually good. I'm actually glad that this is happening because I'm just running through this test with no edits or anything. So I'm making mistakes along the way. The key isn't to make no mistakes. It's to kind of catch your mistakes. And one of the common mistakes is to forget to distribute a negative. I always have that in my head, and I just missed it. But then luckily it kind of came back to me. So if I only care about the x squared term, that's this one and this one, but this is really a negative 4x squared. That's what I just missed. So negative 4x squared minus x squared is negative 5x squared. So hopefully those of you watching this the first time like caught that and were wondering what I was doing. So then now when we jump to this one, and the reason that I caught it is because I was going to do it with this one and I realized I didn't do it with this one. So now I have to distribute the negative here. So this is like minus negative 8, which is like plus 8x. So now I know C is negative 5 and D is 8. And negative 5 plus 8 is 3. So that is the actual answer to the problem. All right? Again, I call this zooming in on the problem. So instead of worrying about the x cubed term and the 5x to the fourth, I just zoomed into what they were asking for, so I only figured this part out. If you want to do the whole thing and that helps you, then do that. But again, I'm trying to do these as efficiently as possible.